Alright then. Oof. So I've just collected my bag from the Premier Inn where I was using the stash wrap to store it whilst I've been at work, and I'm now heading to go and catch a Flixbus to the Big Smoke. Okay, so basically I'm off to London for a couple of days work, and I'm taking the opportunity whilst I'm there to also visit what I believe is the newest Capsule hotel whilst I'm there. So we're off to Piccadilly. It looks like the coach is here. Alright, Hammersmith, baby.
This is a Piccadilly line service to Cockfosters.
So have you ever been on tube carriage with nobody on it? Piccadilly Circus. This looks like it is Piccadilly Hostel. Let's find out. Hi, checking in.
Alright, yeah, thank you, of course, thank you so much.
And that's it, all done?
All done for you.
Brilliant,
Yeah,
thank you very much.
Second little thing to up.
Oh, cheers. Right. That was easy enough, painless. So yeah, Piccadilly Hostel, it's a capsule hotel. So let's see what's going on. The check-in, simple enough. Okay, so here we are. Nice. Okay, so quick glance. We've got pillow, mattress, quilt, towel. Nice. I've just got a mains plug, got USB with USB-C, light and a fan. I need a toilet because I didn't have one on coach, it's been a few hours. Nice. Cool. Okay. Completely pitch black. My hand is right from the camera. If I turn the light on. On the other side of the door, the lights are on. I can't control it as well. That's with the dim, the lights dimmed. Full brightness. Oh. Morning. It is currently 4:30, so I'll keep the volume down a bit. Actually, I've not had that bad a sleep. I've had come up 4.5 hours. As is, I woke up because I needed a pee. I just couldn't get back to sleep then, so I've probably actually been awake for close to an hour. But yeah, it's been quiet. No problem. Got the fan on, as you can hear. It does the job. So yeah, I find this capsule's quite comfy. Let's get it. Off to work again. Right. Here we are at 5:15, and this is Piccadilly Circus. Probably the emptiest you'll see it at any other time of the day, at least in daylight. I've got 35 minutes to walk up to Tottenham Court Road, which is loads of time. Go catch the Lizzie line. Take this opportunity to get this while you can. Just check, I haven't got my 360 camera. Good morning. This is the morning after the third night here, and I am checking out today. I've already had my shower, brushed my teeth, got the old contacts in. I mean, I can't fault the capsule itself. The comfort, the only two, I've only got two niggles with it. One is the lock. Well, there are two things with the lock. The internal lock doesn't lock properly. There's like a little box that screws on, that's come off, so you can't lock it from the inside, but that's not a biggie because I'm in here. And the lock for the outside is a bit fiddly, way too fiddly than it needs to be. It should just be a simple turn, put your padlock in, but you can turn it and it's not catching, so that's a problem. And then outside my capsule, the steps come over about halfway, which where my capsule is. So if you step out the capsule, instead of just having that initial short drop to a level floor, you've actually got to drop down past the steps. So I spotted it the first day. I've only slipped on it once, which was this morning when it caught me out. I think I must get the rest of my stuff all together, which most of it's done. I said I only brought a suit bag with me, and so I've just got a couple of little bits and bobs to make sure I've got no crap lying about. And then let's get out of here.
Thank you.
Did you leave the key there, yeah?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. Cheers. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm just going to quickly check on someone, yeah?
Oh, cool. Okay, so I'm all checked out as you saw. Back in Piccadilly Circus. It is, let's have a quick check. 9:20. I've got about 5 hours to my coach, so I'm going to go enjoy the sights of London. Hope you enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or a like, you know, subscribe maybe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.